Hello, my name is Elizabeth Wilson, AVP Finance and Accounting here at Valley National. I'd like to talk to you today about a few tips that you can use in order to help us prepare your return. There are three specific things I'd like to cover. Those include the what, the how, and the when of preparing your information and providing it to us to get started on your tax return. Tip number one is to review your prior year tax return to see what it is that you had in prior years and begin to gather information based on those same parameters. It is important to let us know if you've had any significant changes from last year, such as changes in marital status, dependency, income items, expense items, and your overall tax status. In addition to reviewing your prior year tax return and waiting for your documents to show up in the mail, we do have a checklist on our website that you can use to jog your memory about what types of documents we will need in order to prepare your return. Tip number two is to start providing us with your tax documentation sooner rather than later. As these items begin to arrive in the mail, or you receive them via email, or you put them together on your own, you can begin to provide them to us. It's my recommendation as a CPA that you do so when you have a significant amount of the information. We don't want you to wait to the very end to provide us with documentation because we do want to get started on your return right away. However, the more information you provide us at the onset, the better prepared we are to start working on your return. My third tip for you is on exactly how to provide us your information. We provide two options. One is via paper format and the other is via our digital portal. When organizing your paper documents, here's some best practices. Group the same types of items together. For instance, if you have a number of W-2 statements, keep those grouped together. It does speed up the preparation process when we received your documentation in an organized manner. For example, if your document has come in envelopes, please remove those envelopes, remove staples or paper clips. Our second option for providing information is via our secure client portal. As I would encourage you to organize your information via the paper format, I would encourage you to use those same best practices for your digital uploads. You can gather information together from your different sources, combine it into one PDF, and scan it to the portal. When providing information via the portal, and you've grouped your documentation together into one file for upload, you can name it something as simple as tax documents 1 or 2. If you're providing us with additional information after that initial upload, it is helpful to be descriptive in the name of your document. When you're trying to provide us with a last-minute documentation and time is of the utmost importance, it is okay to take a picture of it. However, try to make sure that picture is clear, easy to understand, and readable. Another great way to help us out in the preparation of your return is to summarize your receipts, specifically medical expenses and charitable contributions. If you provide a summary statement, we can easily trace your source documents to that summary to make sure that we've captured everything. Please keep in mind that we also do need the address and the name of the organization that you've donated to, as well as the date and the valuation of your goods. Today we've discussed some tips on the what, the how, and the when of how you can prepare your information to help us prepare your return. I would strongly encourage you to visit our website at www.valleynationalgroup.com and click on the Tax Services link. At that link, we provided additional resources for you, such as blank organizer pages for your Schedule A, your Schedule C, and your Schedule E information. We also have helpful tips, helpful articles, and other resources that can help you either learn something new or refresh some knowledge you already have.